During pandemic, schools have faced two major problems. On one hand, number of students have reduced, that is, students have left the school. And on the other hand, in many schools, fee collection is not adequate and timely. These days, EdTech is growing at a very fast pace, but schools are neither the stakeholder in this growth nor the beneficiary of it. EdTech is nothing but promoting the habit of self-study with the understanding that a child is already interested in watching movies, games, cartoons, etc. And thus, if we provide high-quality animated content which harness the power of visualization, dependence on tuitions can be reduced. But EdTech also has three major problems. Problem number 1. Parents are required to spend a huge amount, somewhat close to 30 to 40,000 rupees in purchasing any EdTech solution. Problem number 2. There is generally no one monitoring the child while studying through the content. However engaging might be the content, strong monitoring and supervision is needed because on the whole it is education only. Without a strong monitoring mechanism, children tend to leave it in between, which dissolves the entire purpose of providing the EdTech solution and hence it is not successful. Problem number 3. Curriculum, or I should say books, being used in school doesn't exactly match with the content provided by any EdTech solution. Content might be similar, but it's not a complete match. That's why kids do get confused while studying through it. Now we have beautifully connected schools with the EdTech and solved all the above problems with our white label app solution. We provide our EdTech app Study and Learn by white labeling it under the brand name of your school. That is, it will be customized according to your school's curriculum and it will be uploaded on Play Store by the brand name of your school itself. Inside the application, your school logo will be placed everywhere and student will download your app through the Play Store by searching the name of your school itself. Not only this, along with the white label app, high quality smart class content and a powerful teaching platform will be provided without any extra charges. Now on this teaching platform, students and teachers are connected to each other. And the complete report of students, as in how much content is used by students, the areas in which the student is weak or strong, etc. The complete report will be visible to the teachers, admin and the principal. Now let us discuss advantages of this solution. Benefit number 1. White label app will be a differentiating factor for the school. The branding of the school will reach on to the next level. Just think about it. How many schools provide anything like this? You can highlight this differentiating factor in your prospectus, which will increase admissions. Benefit number 2. We provide a beautiful content usage and weak area identification features. Complete usage report of students is visible to teachers, admin and the principal. Now teachers can ensure complete usage of content and can also monitor weak areas of children. Adherence to self-study can be ensured 100% through this feature. Benefit number 3. It's a win-win solution for both parents and for the school. This app is priced to the school at a very subsidized rate. So even after adding markup of schools, cost of the app will be close to rupees 250 to 300 rupees per month per child, which in itself is a very good offer for the parents as compared to any other EdTech app, for which parents any which ways are already spending 30 to 40,000 rupees. Benefit number 4. White label app is a bundled solution, which means school will no longer need to bear any additional cost for the smart class content and for the teaching platform, for which schools up till now have been spending money out of their own pocket.